Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so I'm here with my brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Okay, so if you've just picked up the Note 10, this video is going to be very helpful. What I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you an application you can download to check the device to make sure that everything's working, everything's fully functional. To do this, go to the Play Store and type in Samsung Check and download this application here, device checker. Install it. I've already installed it. Here it is. So just open it up and you'll see that there's a long list of different things you can check. In total there's 28 different things you can check to make sure that they're functioning right. So Bluetooth, SIM card, SD card, microphone, LCD, TSP dot, TSP grid, brightness test, receiver, speaker, earphone test, camera, flash, proximity sensor, accelerometer sensor, light sensor, gyroscope sensor, magnetic sensor. As you can see, the list goes on: fingerprint sensor, other sensors, vibration, USB and charge, Wi-Fi, battery test, memory check, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm going to start off by testing the Bluetooth. So let's just turn it on. In fact, I don't have a Bluetooth device close by, so this test will more than likely fail. So for this to work, you do need another Bluetooth device turned on. See, it's failed there. Okay, let's test the SIM card. So check. Test passed. SD card, I don't have an SD card installed. Microphone. So just press that button, talk into the microphone. Yo, 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 what's up YouTube? It's the Android Doctor. So just press that button, talk into the microphone. Yo, 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 what's up YouTube? It's the Android Doctor. So you can see the microphone works. LCD. Okay, so you've just got to swipe up on the LCD and the colors will change. You can also use it to look for any dead pixels on the display. So the screen's okay. So this is the touchscreen panel test, the TSP. So just keep touching the screen and it should recognize each touch by putting a little cross there on the display. So the touchscreen panel's working good, no problems there. And then just press the volume down button and OK to exit that test. TSP grid. So what you need to do is you need to fill all these little squares in. So as you can see, we've got a pass there as well. So the TSP grid's working fine. Brightness test. Test passed. Receiver works good. Speaker works good. Earphone test. Okay, let's just plug in the headphones. So to do the earphone test, you will need to plug in your headphones. And you should then hear a sound. Yep, earphone works. Camera test. Rear camera's working fine. Front facing camera's working fine. Hello. Flash is working perfectly fine as well. So as you can see, there's just loads of different tests you can go through. Just take your time and go through them all. And it's a good way of knowing that your device is working perfectly well, fresh out of the box, because it is a new device. If you have any fails, that means there's probably a problem with the device. So you can bring it back and let them exchange it for a new one, or if anything, just get a refund, get your money back. So yeah, guys, this was just my quick video showing you all how to check that your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is working fantastically, fresh out of the box. There's no problems with it or any issues. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave any comments in the comment section down below. Also share this video, subscribe to my channel for more content, hit that notification bell so you get notified the minute I upload a video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces.